Welcome to the part 2 of HEXA LUX. In this section, we delve into the comparison between the original scan and the Vegeto test. The original scan is marked with an S, while the Vegeto test is highlighted with a V. At the bottom, you can see the images showing both with and without the tested microorganisms. The left image is the original scan of the organ, and the right image is the microorganism scan, providing a clear visual comparison. The result shows a weakening compensatory reaction at 52%, indicating that the organ will continue to struggle and worsen if no action is taken. This is due to the overgrowth of rhinoviruses microorganisms. The Vegeto test result confirms the findings on the analysis page, showing that rhinoviruses are indeed present and negatively affecting the organ. When conducting your own analysis, it's crucial to create your own report. The discovery of lactobacillus must be manually added to the reports. This step ensures that all findings are accurately documented and can be referenced in future analyses. Adding the weakening reaction to the reports is not sufficient. We need to focus on the coefficient of the microbe, which provides concrete data for comparison during therapy. This coefficient should be added from the analysis page to your notes, ensuring that the most important data is captured for effective treatment planning. On the analysis page, click on the microbe and select Save to Report. This action ensures that the notes are correctly added, and you can verify them by clicking View Report. This step is essential for maintaining accurate records of your analysis findings. While the weakening reaction has been added, the clearest information comes from note saving on the analysis page, not the comparative analysis page. It's important to be cautious when adding reports from the comparative analysis page, as they can be misleading. The weakening reaction is correct, but the coefficient is not of the microorganism, it's the new OD of the Vegeto test. Accurate coefficients are crucial for collecting improvement tracking data. If adding notes from the comparative analysis page, ensure the coefficient is added correctly from the comparative analysis page. When screening for frequency imbalances related to cancer, manual analysis should be implemented. For women, breast cancer screening is done on this specific item, ensuring that the analysis is thorough and accurate. For cancer screening, scan the appropriate organs such as the prostate, liver, and colon. Cancer will be listed under pathology, sometimes in medical terms and sometimes as cancer. Vegeto test results confirm cancer-related items in the pathology list, indicating a weakening reaction and confirming cellular imbalance. The analysis page offers various features, including optimum distribution, which is the OD of the organ selected for analysis. With over 10,000 etalons available, you can enlarge or clear the etalon list, making it easier to navigate and utilize during your analysis. Etalons extend to thousands and are essential for identifying root causes in pathology and microorganisms. Starting with etalons focused on symptoms may not yield improvement. For example, understanding allergens and food intolerances is crucial for effective therapy, beyond just symptoms. The key to understanding etalons is knowing which are negative and which are positive. Initial lists include organopreparate, biochemical homeostasis, pathology, allergens, and microorganisms. Positive etalons should not be inverted, while negative ones should be. Etalons encompass a wide range of therapeutic items, including allopathy, homeopathy, phytotherapy, and more. If an etalon is described positively, it means it can be used for remedies without inversion, ensuring effective therapeutic recommendations. If an etalon does not come with a list, click Show All. However, never click Show All for pathology or microorganisms. The principle of looking at coefficients below 0.500 should be followed when examining any etalon, ensuring accurate analysis. When considering etalon names, apply common sense to determine if they are positive or negative. For example, brain disorders are negative, while flowers are positive. This approach helps in understanding the therapeutic value of each etalon. Certain etalons are not suitable for Vegeto testing, such as organopreparate and food etalons. These do not need to be tested as they are therapy-focused or list only food recommendations. Clarifying questions should be asked when examining various etalons. Each etalon should be used in the appropriate organ scan. For example, trace elements are heavy metals found in hair, requiring a hair scan. Biochemical homeostasis involves hormones and vitamins, necessitating a blood cell scan. Understanding each etalon's requirements ensures accurate analysis. V-Test External allows testing of external items in the cup provided in your package. It's best used on an empty stomach before medication. Choose the appropriate organ for testing, ensuring the supplement is suitable. This process helps determine the best fit for the organ's needs. To perform a V-Test External, select the appropriate organ for the supplement, use today's scan, and navigate to the analysis page. Click V-Test External, and input the name of the tested standard. This procedure ensures accurate testing and analysis of external items. To begin testing, enter the supplement name and number, then click OK to start the scan. Ensure the headset is worn and the supplement is in the cup for accurate results. After the test, you'll be directed to the Localize page. Click on the graph photo to return to the analysis page or proceed to comparative analysis for detailed results. Access comparative analysis from either the Analysis or Localize page to compare test results effectively. The comparative analysis page displays the external Vegeto test results, providing a comprehensive view of the test outcomes. Natural supplements should show at least a 1% strengthening reaction. Non-natural supplements are worth considering if the reaction is above 15%. Descriptions on the analysis page help identify items. Highlight an item and click Etalon Description for more information. Entropy analysis assesses illness severity. It works with the pathology etalon and is only available when pathology is selected. Select pathology, highlight the illness, and click Entropy Analysis to view the analysis page. This page visualizes pathology severity over time. Look for the rating number after leaving the page to understand chronic conditions. Upon exiting, receive a severity rating. Numbers indicate risk levels, guiding preventive measures and treatment. Use AutoScan to get pathology numbers. Coefficients are crucial for understanding problem presence and should be considered with Vegeto tests. NLS analysis evaluates biochemical balance, indicating normalcy, deficiency, or excess. Select an item to analyze its status. After NLS analysis, a numerical value appears next to the item, indicating its biochemical status. A value of 4 indicates normal biochemical balance. Below 4 shows deficiency, above 4 shows excess. Auto model prioritizes pathology in microorganisms, similar to entropy analysis. It's used for manual analysis of organs. Auto model is for manual organ analysis, requiring steps like adjust all and V-Test internal. Auto model assigns priority numbers or an infinity sign to pathologies, indicating their importance. Auto model is secondary to other features but highlights important pathologies like iron deficiency anemia for focused analysis. After a full body scan, return to the card index page and click View Results to see the automatic report. To begin, navigate to the View Results page and click the View Result button. Once there, you'll find the page blank, prompting you to click Advanced to proceed. On the Advanced Notes page, your next step is to click on Advanced Report. This will guide you further into the detailed reporting process. As you view the scanned items, ensure that all etalon choices are selected except for microorganisms and pathology. This step is crucial before proceeding with any report generation. When setting up the software, uncheck all etalon options except microorganisms and pathology. Once these are selected, click Check All Organs to ensure comprehensive data collection. By clicking Check All Organs, a check mark appears next to each scanned item, ensuring data selection. Click Scan to begin collecting data from these scanned organs and tissues. For treatment plan reports, ensure Scan All Etalon is unchecked and dispersion level remains at 0.4. This setting helps focus on immediate concerns in the organs and tissues. As you click Scan, observe the loading process of information collection. Once complete, the third box out of 4 will be filled, indicating progress. After scanning, click to Print to initiate a similar loading process, filling the fourth and final box. This marks the completion of the report build-up. To return to the advanced page, click Exit. Once there, click Refresh to expand the notes and view the updated information. Upon refreshing, you will see the notes expanded, providing a detailed view of the scanned data and findings. With the report created, use Report 1 to identify the body system under the most stress. This system should be prioritized for treatment protocol development. In many cases, the digestive system emerges as the priority due to stress and imbalance. Addressing digestive health can positively impact overall well-being. Microorganisms often lead to imbalances in the body. Focus on OD coefficients to understand the severity of each problem and track progress over time. With the report made, save the initial findings for future reference. This will help track your health journey and compare progress over time. On the Notes page, utilize Reports 1, 2, and 3 for consistent tracking of found problems across body systems and organs. Report 1 provides detailed coefficients of each problem found within body systems. You can add personal notes to enhance the report's utility. Feel free to type additional notes directly into the box without refreshing. This allows for seamless integration of personal observations. To save Report 1, open it and click the disk icon in the top left corner. This ensures your findings are securely stored. Upon clicking the disk icon, select PDF file to save your report securely. Rename the file and choose the desired storage location on your computer. Report 2 offers insights into the pathology and microorganisms found in scanned organs and tissues, providing a comprehensive view of health concerns.